with another video, and today we're gonna be doing a tutorial in a thumb rollover, which is a thumb roll. So all you need to do this thumb roll is to hold this like this. Hold this in the bite handle, and if you have a balisong, you will see these like things. Hold your index finger in that, hold your thumb in this. That's what you need. And to do it, some people do it like this, sideways like that. No, that's not a thumb roll. A thumb roll, let me get my lenses for you guys so you can see a lot more clearer and wider. Here's my lens. Put you guys in the mood. Cut the video. There you go, that's easy. It took me like a second. It took me 2 seconds. Okay, I'll fix it. That's perfect. And to do it, all you need to do, have a balisong or whatever you have. I take this so it doesn't get scratched by this thingy. See? But all you need to do is hold it by the bite handle like this and do it flat like this. And before you start the trick, all you need to do is throw, not too much. Throw, it will automatically spin. Go into your thumb, spin around. When it spins around, you should grab the bite handle or whatever. Or wait, what you need to do is spin like this. Grab the safe handle, and some people do it like this, like that, or some people do it like this. So I recommend doing this and this for more easy grip. But here's what it looks like. Like that. It's pretty much a beginner flipping trick. Like that. So spin, another we talk, we do spin, grab the safe handle. After that, do this and do it like this, like that, like that. It's easy enough to do. Crap. It's easy enough to do if you are used to balisong flipping. If you are not, so if you don't know what is balisong flipping, it's like this. Balisong flipping is a thing that people love. It's like a fidget spinner, kind of like a fidgety knife. So that's all you need to do to learn the thumb roll. So when you are all set up, it looks like this. Or if you want to open the knife, it looks like this. So that's it, guys. Goodbye. Thanks for watching, by the way, guys. Make sure to click the subscribe and like.